Ma'am, there's a divide between the political parties and Bollywood fraternity about allowing and banning
Which fraternity?
Bollywood and political parties
Bollywood and political fraternity, right?
on allowing and banning Pak artists into Bollywood. And what, as an MP, what is your stand?
I am a true patriot. I believe in this time of confusion, where Pakistan is time and again striking our country, when even cricketers have boycotted playing with Pakistan, maybe we should really reconsider. I'm not saying they should be banned, but we should certainly, Bollywood should certainly reconsider their stand, because when there is a time to display your patriotism, tokenism won't work. And we today know that art is not purely art. Art is also political, artists are also political, art is also commercial, artists are also commercial today. So Bollywood, which belongs to this country, should really now stand up and think about its stand. Because India doesn't have any dearth for the artists. We have enough artists. So if it can be reconsidered, it will be good. And they should also understand, why are we only talking about Pakistani artists? There have been Nepali artists working in our country for a long time. Nobody has objected to them. Now in this era of cooperation, Hollywood and Bollywood are collaborating on a huge scale. Nobody is objecting to that. Why is the political fraternity only opposing the Pakistani artists is what Indian artists and Bollywood should particularly think about. And I believe this is a time when Bollywood artists should stand with the country.